This is Yuletide at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire. Now Yuletide loves to have people pat her, and this is her reaction. She just got a little patting, and she's just all so excited about it. She was just doing a happy dance, kneading her bed and then the floor, and it's like, oh my goodness, I'm just so thrilled that you stopped to say hello to me. I'm a darling little girl. Aren't you, Yuletide? Now, Yuletide's name is probably not something that she's really hung up on, you know, that you might can change that, I bet, and she wouldn't mind. Huh? Aren't you a sweetie? What do you think? Oh, gonna come see the camera. The cord on the camera looks like a fun thing to play with. Mm-hmm. Go do a happy dance now, girl. Just put that camera down and give me some more pats. I want you to give me more pats. More attention, more love. Okay, I'll do that. Well, I'll do that now, girl. Oh, yeah, look at the feet. Oh, what a sweetie. You're just a sweetheart.